Hi friends, it's time for some rhyming. So we're going to start out with, we're going to do a couple of different rhyming families today. I'm going to start with the ish family. Ish, because we are learning about something this week that ends in ish. So ish is I-S-H. Now, what if we put a D in front of it? D-ish, D-ish, dish, dish. Yeah, dish, like a plate. There we go. A plate is a dish. That's not great drawing, but you see what I'm saying. All right, let's do another one. I-S-H says ish. Now, what if we put f in front of it? F, fun, ish. Fish, fish. That's right, fish. There we go. There's our fish. Fish. Dish, fish. Now I've got one more. I-S-H. Now what if we put W in front of it? W. W. W, wind, W. I had to think of what our W was. W-ish. Wish. Wish. Very good. We could make a wish. That's supposed to be like a wand for wish. So we've got dish, fish, wish. All right, now I'm going to do a few more, and this is something also that you see in the summer and late spring. So I'm going to do un. All right. Now the first one, I'm going to use the same sound as fish, fish, and fun, fun. Fish and fun both start with F, with the F sound. Now there are so many things that I could draw here to show that we are having fun. But you know what I'm going to draw? I'm going to draw bubbles, because bubbles are so much fun. So there's the lid, and now bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Do you guys like to play with bubbles? That's not the best drawing, but bubbles. There we go. All right, fun. All right, let's think of something else. Oh, this is something I like to do. Un, run, run. Yes, so I can draw a little person who's going for, let's see, I don't know. Not the best stick person drawing, but run. Looks more like they're jumping. But run, going for a run. Fun, run. Now here's the one that I was thinking of, especially in the spring and summer. Un, sun. That's right, let's draw a sun. Now that it's getting nice and warm outside. Sun. Fun, run, sun. All right, I can think of one more. This is something that if you eat a hot dog or a hamburger, you're going to want to bun. Bun. So I will draw a hamburger bun. I'll draw a whole hamburger, but there's the bun. All right. So for our ish family, we have dish, fish, wish, and for our un family, we have fun, run, sun, and bun. Can you guys think of other words that are in the ish family that rhyme with fish and wish and dish? Or other words that are in the un family that rhyme with fun, run, sun, and bun? I bet you can. All right. See you later, friends. Bye-bye.